Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jazzy and I'm back with another video, and as you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be another Idefine Wig review. I am super happy with this unit. I just ordered it probably about 3 weeks ago and it came about a week after I ordered it, but I'm just getting around to unboxing and installing it, so I just thought I'd film it for you guys. And yeah, I'm just really in love with this. This is a 20-inch wig from, like I said, Idefine. And it is a loose deep wave. It's the Undetectable Thin Skin HD lace 13x6 lace front wig, 150 density loose deep pre-bleached knots. Oh my god, I can't even talk. But that was like a really long name. But yeah, that is the wig that I got from Idefine. And so yeah, I just really went ahead and wanted to do a quick install, so I just thought randomly, hey, I guess I'll show you my channel since I haven't filmed in a while. I will have probably maybe 1 or 2 videos go up before this video, but yeah, I'm just gonna start uploading more. You guys know I've been going through some personal stuff in life right now, so I am back home and I'm so happy that I got around to film this video for you guys. If you guys do enjoy this video and this content, make sure that you stop what you're doing, you give me a thumbs up just so I know that you do like it, and I'll make sure I make more content like this for you guys. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys get post notifications for every time that I post a video. And I'm so excited to just be posting more during the ending of the quarantine. And yeah, I hope that you guys really do love this install, and I hope you guys get it. I'll make sure I link it down below in the description box, and I'm gonna stop talking. Let's hop straight into this video. So I just went ahead and I cut the lace off and I just put it on my head. And guys, this wig I am absolutely loving. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to spray this down, but this is what the hairline looks like. And it'll look so much better once it's like tacked down and everything. But yeah, this is what it looks like and I'm in love with this hair. So before I even do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot comb heating up. Every time you put a wig on, I feel like using a hot comb to just flatten down the edges is a necessity. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug that up. Okay, so I have my hot comb on, and while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and tap my wig down with this spray. So I do have my mirror over here with my LED lights on it, so I'm going to go ahead and just look into this mirror while I tack this wig down. I can't believe I really genuinely thought like I was not gonna keep this wig. Like I really did think that, because I did not like it, guys. Like, I don't know, just the way it came in the box, it just was so unflattering. It did not look like the model at all. So I'm so happy that I'm gonna actually keep it. So I like to put my wigs down further than my actual hairline starts. So and then I like to do the middle first and then I do the sides. So I just want to make sure that this is lined up properly, and it seems like it is. And then I am going to cut some ear tabs just because it is a little too big. So I'm just going to, this is where I want it at. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray directly on top of the lace, and I'm just going to look at my mirror while I do this. So I sprayed it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do just like this, just to kind of lock it into place. And I just kind of use the hairspray if it's running to just kind of just stick down random areas. So I'm just gonna hold my finger there just to keep that still, and then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and I'm gonna put it on low, and I'm gonna press the cool setting so it comes out really cool. Guys, this wig is already looking bomb. Like, I am in love with it. Okay, so now I'm going to see exactly where I need my ear tabs to be, and then I'm just going to cut any extra lace off that I do not need. So I'm just gonna look in my mirror while I'm doing this, just because I want to make sure I don't mess up anything at all. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys really quick. So I just cut a little bit of the lace off on the side, and yeah, so you can see right there where I cut a little bit of the lace off on the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue that down now, but you just want to make sure that you cut a little bit of the lace by the ear tabs at a time, because you don't want to accidentally cut too much and then you can't go back from there. So you just want to make sure you cut a little bit at a time. And now I'm going to go ahead and glue this side down, and then I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right before I wrap it up. But yeah, that's how you do that. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I just really quick went ahead and glued the wig. So this is what it looks like when it's glued down, and the scalp looks really well. As you can see, I do have a little bit of white casting look, and that's just because of the hairspray that dried. But I'm just gonna take an alcohol pad and go across my forehead with that. So I got my ear tabs down really good. Hopefully they stay. If not, it is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to tie my hair for probably about close to 10 minutes, at least 5. You just wanna have a scarf or something to just tie around your head and hold down your wig, just to make sure that that really dries and sets in place. So I'm gonna let that do that for at least the next 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, you guys, so I've let this set for a few minutes now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start to take it off. I literally let it sit for like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So this is what the hairline looks like after I took it off. And then I'm just gonna run to the bathroom really quick, and I'm gonna go over my forehead with the alcohol pad. Okay, so I went ahead and I took some alcohol across my forehead. So as you can see, it looks a lot better. You can't see any dry white spots or whatever. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs. It looks like there is a little bit, so that's good enough for me. I'm not like the biggest fan. Oh my god, guys, I scratched my nose. I didn't pick it, I swear. Not the biggest fan of baby hairs though, but I'm just gonna take this TG Bedhead hair stick, and I think I'm going to do, I think I want to do some sort of a part over here and have it come this way. So okay, so here is my part here, and I think I'm just gonna have it come this way like this. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna take my hair. Should I make this part deeper? Oh my god, I'm like so indecisive. Okay, so yeah, I decided to do a little bit of a deeper part. So now I'm just going to take my hair stick and I'm going to just put it on my hair, bringing it this way, the way I want the part to go. And then on this side. Now I'm going to take my hot comb that I have that was heating up, and I'm just going to go on top of the hair and just flatten it down just like this. And it's okay if some of the curls come out. If you have a curling iron, you can always put more curls in. So I do have my curling iron heating up. You want to get this as flat as possible. Y'all, this hair looks bomb. Like, I'm super excited for this, to wear this unit. I can't believe I did not like it at first. Like, I keep saying that, but I really was about to return this damn thing. So now that it's really flat, my curling iron should be pretty heated up. So I'm just gonna take my brush, run it through, and you can see it's getting really like poofy. So this hair is really thick. So I'm just gonna take some sections and put some ringlets in my hair. So I'm gonna wrap it around the iron. Actually, I guess I gotta do it like this. And I'm gonna curl it away from my face. Like, some pieces I'll just wrap around the, I need one of those spiral curler things where you just, like, it pulls the hair in and then just lets go and it's like a spiral curl or whatever. I need one of those really bad. But I really just want to take it and like wrap it around. I guess I can do like this, so it's like ringlets, and then like let it drop loose. Like that. And then it'll look so much better once I like finger comb it. But yeah, I'm just gonna curl my hair really quick, a little more, just so it looks a little voluminous on this side. But yeah, the wig looks really good so far. So I'm just gonna speed through, curl it. So here is the finished product after I put some curls in it, and then I just kind of separated them a little bit. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I didn't even conceal the part. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I feel like honestly I really don't have to, and I'm not going anywhere today. So this was just a very simple, very simple makeup look. So this was just a very simple hair look. I'm really going through, you guys. Like, my nose itch, my eye itch, like but I'm so happy I just got to do this really quick and film this really quick for you guys. Yeah, so I hope that you guys like it. Shout out to Idefine. And in my intro, I'll make sure that I let you guys know what kind of wig it is, because I have no idea what kind of wig it is. So I'll try and put the link also in the description box as well. But yeah, this is my 20-inch undetectable lace wig from Idefine, and you can see that the lace is literally like undetectable. Looks so bomb all the way around. Honestly, this is probably the best wig I've ever gotten in my life. I am in love with it. So yeah, there that is. But yeah, I hope that you guys really did enjoy this video. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.